Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If this is your first video guys, you know what to do. Hit that like button, really helps out the video. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and all returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. Yes guys, so I'm actually at Airbnb right now. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I have a friend, client, somebody who I've met on the Canadian journey was moving to Grande Prairie. Their apartment is not ready yet, so we had to get an Airbnb for them. So I'm going to show you guys what the Airbnb is like, how it's set up, and also give you guys an idea of what the cost is like, so you guys can have an idea if it is that you are looking for Airbnb in Grande Prairie, what to expect. All right, come along guys. First things first guys, this Airbnb is located off the main road. So the main road is just right here. So I don't know if that's convenient or inconvenient, but for the nice new shots, that might be a challenge. But if you're anything like me, that's not really a big deal. You have a nice yard, fairly maintained. It's really shared because it's a duplex or a fourplex as it's called. So you actually shared backyard with other persons who are either living here or short-term rental as well. Let's go inside guys and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on guys. Okay. Hello, anyone home? Anyone home?
Daddy?
What's up? Stay with mommy, stay with mommy. I know you guys are excited to see favorite parents. Now say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay guys, let's go up. So this Airbnb has 2 rooms and 1 bathroom. So this is a living quarter, living room. It's pretty basic guys. You get your Wi-Fi, you get your TV, all connected. For short-term stay, I don't think you need anything more than this. You have a little deck. I don't think that's bad. You have a little dining area right here guys, in case you want to have a meal. And there's a lot of natural light, which I really like. There's a whole lot of natural light. And then straight ahead, that's the kitchen. But before we go into the kitchen, this just seems to be a storage room. Has a vacuum, a snow shovel, and just recycling. You have a dishwasher, not too bad. Have a little dishwashing soap, stove, microwave, and fridge. Let's see if they left anything in our fridge for us. Oh, you get the butter. I cannot believe it's not butter. I'm joking, guys. It's clean. Got a few other stuff underneath here. Let's see, where are the pots? Is there no pots in this kitchen? Oh, of course there is. I have some pots. I'm guessing the place will be up top, but this side is empty. Let's look over this side. Okay, you have a few plates and glasses and stuff. Don't think I need more than that. Utensils. Yeah, now let's go downstairs and check out the bedroom, guys. This stairs is so steep, man. I'm coming down.
Careful.
Careful.
We're going up.
Are you guys going up?
We are going up.
You guys are going up?
Yeah.
What is this right here? This is nothing. Just an empty room. And this, guys, is one of the bedrooms. So it seems like it's a double or a queen size bed. Night table lamp. A little chest of drawer. And a closet. Pretty basic. Pretty basic, but if it's just in transit, definitely it's okay. This is the other room. Oh, this is a queen size. The other one seems to be a double. This is the other room. There we go. And that right there is a closet. Again, lots of natural light. If you want to peek outside, see what's going on. Lots of natural lighting. Okay, what else does it have? It has a laundry room. Let's turn on this light. It has a laundry room, washer and dryer, that you can do your laundry while you're here. It's not bad. And of course the bathroom. Now this is just one side of the duplex, guys. Shower, tub, and you get your toiletries and stuff. What's underneath here? Wow. Okay. Let's go back up. Let's see what Nuts think about this Airbnb. Who's touching whose head? Okay. So what do you think about the Airbnb?
If you want somewhere to put your head, that's it.
That's it?
Somewhere to leave your head.
Yeah, it's pretty basic, but no real complaints.
No, I'm not complaining. It's like,
Yeah.
it's clean.
And I guess that's the important thing. You get what you want. You get somewhere to sleep
Put your head.
and live for a little while.
Yeah.
Okay. Absolutely. Malia.
Check. Don't check.
Malika. Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi.
Say hi. You guys haven't said hi in a while. Say hi, Malia. Hi. But tell them from America, Jamaica, you know. Yes, guys. So this is the Airbnb. As I said, it's not bad. 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Now, you guys may be wondering a very important question. You guys may be wondering, what's the cost? What's the cost to stay here? So, guys, per night, if you're staying for longer than a week, it's $118. But if you're staying for a week or less, it's $123 per night. Right? So less than a week, $123. More than a week, $118. Yes. So that's pretty much a little bit cheaper than what we've been seeing the other Airbnbs for. But other Airbnbs are in different communities, more space, different condition, and all of those factors. Yes, guys. So please don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this Airbnb. Or would you stay in this Airbnb? Alright, guys. See you guys in the next video.